Yeah, so a big welcome to you to our soccer pong tutorial. Yeah, now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I took our normal pong that we play pong with there's a two paddles and then put a soccer spin on it. So now it's a player versus a goalkeeper. Now we are going to be learning a lot. We're going to be learning about collisions, how to initialize our game window, and then if you follow very well, you are going to see the flow of things in Pygame, and then you know how to just go ahead and then build your own stuff from scratch by just putting these little pieces together. Now, if that sounds fun to you, leave a like and then subscribe, and then grab a snack or whatever you are into, and then enjoy the tutorial. So don't forget to check out our upcoming videos and then our already uploaded videos. Particularly, we are going to be uploading our one gorilla versus 100 men video soon, which was also inspired by Space Invaders. So look out for that. And then comment any crazy game idea you might have in our comment section. And then let's see if we can build that.
Understand? And then since this is a very small game, let's just say import per game. Let's import the whole thing. Yes. Now we'll have to initialize uh, per game like that. And for that, we just say per game dot init. Yeah, we're going British. Yes, we initialize it like that. And see if I got it right. Good, good. That's it. Now we set up our game window. Where everything's going to appear, I do want to create that first. Now I'm going to use capitals because I mean it's a game. We deal with a lot of widths and heights of the different objects. I hope I spelled the height right. So for weight, let's see 500. I'm targeting something portraity. So and then yeah, 600 longer than the width, of course. Now let's create some variables. Screen. Let's create our screen. Display, I think, yes, it has a display method and has a set mode. Okay, here. And now we're going to pass in uh, our width. Where is my caps up? Pass in our width and our height like this. Yes, and then we'll be creating our screen like this. Now let's add a caption. Uh, sorry. Yes, it's also part of the display method. And then I think yes, okay. Over the set caption. And then you can say soccer or Pong like this. Then we are good to go. I also need to handle a way. We need a way to handle our FPS, and then we are going to initialize that by tagging dot. I say time. Yes. Oh, everything's popping up. And yes, dot clock like this. Yes, we are going to be using that later. And I also want to add in some colors. Yes, I'm in a lot of colors. So instead of going black and white, I went with colors. So yes, let's create a variable. Let's call it grass green instead of green grass. Yes, because I'm weird. Yes, and then let's see 40. I'll take of this as RGB. This is going to give us our grass green. I have to finish with it a lot, but and then let's see white. We're going to see why in a minute. You're going to be drawing our center circle and stuff. It's this white. And I think the white is just 255, if I'm right. Good. Level 5. Yes, now we have to create our field background. We have to create our field background. Now for that, let's create a variable background. Very original background. We say Pygame. Our background is a surface. Or surface. Yes. Now we pass in our width. It's supposed to be a tuple. Yes. So we pass in our width like this. And then our height like this. And now we see background. We're trying to fill our background with our colors. And fill it with grass green. And then boom. That's that. And after that, let me see. Okay, yes, I want to see whatever I'm doing, and then that it works. So let's do the game, our game loop, like this. Yes, let's say run is equal to true. Yes, we need a boolean. See why in a minute. Forgive me, it's your first time using. I'm going to smack this PC down. True. Oh. Yes, now how run uh, for event in. Yes, I know I'm saying event, but I'm writing something different. Like it literally can be anything. I hope you all know that in Python. It can be for X in again dot event dot get. So we have to get an event. I guess if our event is wait, yes, and sometimes this is how I write like for you. I try to write in plain English before frequent equals, but say run equals false. Yeah, to the best of my knowledge, I've not done anything wrong. So, but if I run something, I have to plate everything. Think of it like drawing. Yes, so our background, taking our background like this, and then also a tuple of zeros. Boom, so simple. And then now we have to update our display, everything that we have drawn. How we get the idea. Mm, or we have to update our display. So say dot display dot update like this. Let me see clock dot set. Ah, yes, the FPS I was talking about. Now I think 60 is 60 frames per second. That's a good place to start. And then let's see game dot quit. Now we can come here and we can actually quit like this. Yeah, yeah. Now let me run and see what happens. Line 9. Oh, okay. We need to post like I was saying. Okay, okay. So what we have here, we said quit is not defined now. I think the quit and all that stuff come bundled with game. So let me try something. Maybe there's a problem with our import. So let me just see from Pygame import or just like this. Why this is form. Yeah, so let me just see from Pygame import or then we can run again. And now we have line 30. Oh my god, still facing syntax errors. Yes, yes, and now as you can see, I'm able to get our game window to run and our color, our background. We have our green grass. I know it's not green grass, but let's just use we have our green grass. We have our caption at the top there, just like it said we would. Yes.